Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking rice cooker chicken biryani. So let's start cooking. Now we are going to marinate the chicken first. I have with me over here 500 grams of chicken leg, both the drumstick and of course the thigh. I'm adding in over here 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Add in also half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. We need to season it with some salt, 1 teaspoon of salt. Now we have to massage all these spices into the chicken. Mix them up well and we'll let them marinate for half an hour. I'll see you back in a while. I'm putting the dish together using a normal rice cooker. My rice cooker has a lot of function and I'm using the stir fry function to saute the ingredients first before we add in the rice and cook it like a normal rice dish. So we add in oil, about 2 tablespoons of it. We need a little bit of oil for this because we're going to fry all the beautiful ingredients. I'm going to add in 1 piece of cinnamon bark, 3 pieces of bay leaves. I'm going to add in about 6 or 7 pieces of cloves, about 10 pieces of cardamom seed and 1 whole piece of star anise. Stir fry them together for a while. And I'm going to add in 2 whole red onions sliced thinly. I'm going to fry the onions until they are light golden brown before we add in the other ingredients. Once the red onions start to caramelize, we add in our garam masala paste. I have with me over here 1 tablespoon of garam masala. I'm going to add in approximately 3 tablespoons of water and mix them up into a paste. We'll add the garam masala paste into the pot now. Mix them up a little bit. Add in our chicken. We will now add in 30 grams of butter, 2 whole chopped tomatoes. I've removed the skin, a small bunch of coriander leaves, roughly chopped up, and a small bunch of mint leaves, also roughly chopped up. Put them all in. Mix them up well. We'll just mix them and stir fry them for about 10-15 seconds just to make sure that they are mixed up well. This dish is going to be so flavorful. Of course, this is the cheat method of cooking biryani rice. If you have the time and if you want to know how to make it the traditional way, I will try to do it for you. Just leave a comment in the remark column. Now I'll add in 300 milliliters of water as well as 4 tablespoons of coconut milk. Add salt to taste. I'm adding in 2 teaspoons of salt. Now we'll add in our basmati rice. I have with me over here 280 grams of basmati rice which I've soaked for 30 to 40 minutes. Just put them in. Stir them in. Put the lid on and we'll put this to rice cooking function. I'll see you in a while. And now the biryani is done. Let's have a look. Oh, it smells really good. We'll now remove the chicken and then we'll mix the rice up. Wow, it's unbelievable. Really, really fragrant. It's like treasure hunting right now. Okay, now we'll mix it up and give the rice a taste. Wow, the fragrance is unbelievable. You just have to taste to make sure that it's salty enough for us. If not, we add in a little bit more salt. Just a wee bit more salt will be fine. Half a teaspoon more. And we'll mix this up. When you serve this, you can top it up with crispy shallots if you have them. It will add more flavor to the rice. Okay, time to have our lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Wow, smells really, really good. Rice. Very flavorful. I'll try chicken now. Chicken is very tender too. This is a really easy home cooked dish. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.